Welcome to our video on morning habits that will help you gain weight. For good health, it's essential to start your day with the right habits so you can achieve your weight loss goals. Unfortunately, some of our morning routines are making it more difficult for us to lose weight. In this video, we'll discuss some common morning errors and how to avoid them for a healthier and leaner body. Too much sleep. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night is essential for good health, but oversleeping and too little sleep can cause weight gain. Studies have found that people who sleep more than 7 to 8 hours a night are 21% more likely to become obese. Drinking water in the morning. Water is vital for every biological function of the body, and dehydration and slow metabolism can lead to a lower water intake, resulting in fewer calories burned and a larger waistline. Start your day with a glass of warm water to stay hydrated throughout the day. Starting your day with the wrong food. It's essential to choose healthy foods for your breakfast. A high-protein breakfast is an excellent way to lose weight, but most people don't get enough of this nutrient every day. Avoid eating a massive breakfast with high levels of fat and sodium. Watching the morning news while eating. This can lead to eating more and chewing less. It can also increase your risk of weight gain. Slowly and mindfully eat and chew thoroughly before swallowing. Coffee with cream and sugar. A cup of coffee with lots of sugar and creamers in the morning can lead to weight creep. Switch to sugar-free soy, hemp, almond, and almond milk to lose weight. Exercising in the morning. Research has shown that people who exercise in the morning with an empty stomach are more likely to lose body fat and experience weight loss. Exercise can increase blood flow and improve all body functions. To prevent weight gain, go to the gym, run, walk, skip, and jog daily. By following these tips, you can avoid making morning mistakes that can lead to weight gain. Start your day with healthy habits that will help you reach your weight loss goals. Thanks for watching.